Hello dear students, welcome to our 10th video of this our Python programming series. I hope you have understood the for loop that we have discussed in last 2 or 3 videos. Now today we will discuss with another looping function, looping syntax available with the Python, and that it is known as the while loop. In this while loop, we will try to find the sum of the digits of a given number. So, if we are given a two-digit number, say 27, means we need to find 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Similarly, we can be given any number of digits, say it may be 4-digit number, it may be 5-digit number. Here what will happen? We will try to extract one digit from the rightmost side of the number and we will get the sum accordingly. So, let's see how we'll do it. Write a program to get the sum of the digits. Sum of digits of a number. So in we need to input say int input enter a number. Now say sum of the for sum we are having the variable s and initializing it with 0. Now while in greater than 0 and colon. Now we need to extract the last digit. For that r is equal to n mod 10. N mod 10. Now we need to remove the last digit. N is equal to n. To remove the last digit, we need to take the integer part after dividing by 10. So we need to double this 10 and s is equal to s plus r. Here we can use the shorthand operator also. So shorthand operator here you can use it. I am writing it s plus equals to r. This one also you can write it. Now print s. Now let's execute it. Enter the number, say 3456. This is the number, so it is coming 18. This is yes, number of digits is 18. Okay, again let me 6105, sorry 6105, let it be. So it is 12. Yes, it is 12. So it is all about the sum of the digits.